people, this is Ray, my road tours. Today I'm going to try to do a sample video on the Timewarp feature of the Gopro Hero 7. Over here, I don't know if you can make that out. That's the GoPro 7. Over here is the GoPro Hero 5. I'm going to set that to just regular 4K 30 frames per second footage, and then set this one here to the Timewarp. I haven't really decided yet on what setting I'll set that Timewarp for. 10 frame, 10x, 15x, something like that. Hopefully you can make this out. I got the vehicle running. Then back here I'm going to have my GoPro Hero 4 Black riding behind them to video it a little bit. So hopefully that's on there good. I usually tether these down, as you can see here, but when you're mounting up high on the vehicle, sometimes it's kind of hard to do that. So anyway, we're going to get down the road. I don't know if you can make it out, but there's Boulder, Colorado. There's the Flatirons. I'm here in Superior, Colorado, kind of Superior / Broomfield, right on that line. I'm not entirely sure where the line ends and begins, but at the Flatiron Mall here, or what I said, the iconic Flatirons way over there. Yeah, I can barely see them over there. Anyway, so you know, a lot of places around here named Flatirons. All right, so I'm gonna get down the road and see what it looks like.